What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. That looks like a screensaver. Wow. But what's it called? Got sidetracked. Um, we're gonna be working on the Apache again today. We're gonna be doing more wiring because we got the distributor and the starter hooked up to the key, but here we have some more relays, so we have to hook up fuel pump, put the fuel pump somewhere. And there's probably a whole other little list of stuff I took up to relays. So yeah, that's what we got today. And also, we're gonna start cleaning up. I got a little kit of self tap screws. Nice little black ones, so you can't really see it. And we're just gonna try to start hiding stuff too. Start, find little places for the relay, find an actual place for the wiring harness now. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay. So here is our little rat's nest we're still working on. Let me give you guys a better angle. Yep. So, I'm trying to figure out all of this still right now. But it's going to take me a little bit of time. But it's not going to take me a crazy amount of time, I think. So, looking at a little diagram, we have our ignition relay done. We need a fan relay, fuel relay, and it's supposed to be starter relay, but we're not going to be doing one of those. So we only have three relays. No, we only have two relays left. Fuel and fan. We're going to have to also get our ground wires done because we only have one ground wire going to the starter, but we don't have any other actual grounds happening. Because how we're going to ground it is we're going to go from ground from the battery to the starter, from the starter to the frame, from the frame to the body, so that there's a place for all the grounds to be, and all the ground is, there's going to be no wiring issues. There'll be no issues at all. But you have to go under the truck for that. I don't really want to do that. I think I'm just going to have to cut it out. Alrighty, guys. So, instead of going under the car right now, because I really just don't feel like getting myself dirty right now. So we're going to do the positive side first. We're going to get this little 4 gauge and we're going to hook the 4 gauge up to the battery, and from the battery it's going to go up to this power bus. This power bus will power everything on the fuse box. But I'm getting ahead of myself right now, trying to get all this stuff done. I don't even know where some of my tools are at. So now we're going to get our 4 gauge wire. It's okay. Wait, that's not okay. That's the one I just used. There's no way. Okay. Oh, wait, no. It's not the one I just used. I'm stupid. The one I just used is in my hand. Here we go. 4 gauge is hooked up now. Time to start self-tapping the world together. I think we should have more than enough wire to reach a battery terminal. Alright? Oh, yeah. That's just fine. I think it's probably going to be raining soon. So that means we're going to have to go under the car. Get it done now, out of the way, so at least I don't have to worry about it. Especially if the ground's going to be wet and I want to keep working on this thing. How we going to do this? I might have to weld the bolt into the frame for ground terminal. Yeah. So I'm probably going to have to go on the frame, weld this bolt into it, so I can hook it up like this. What does this wire go to? Wire goes to nothing. Okay. Don't got a lot of options right now. Pretty sure it's going to be raining real soon. The socket does not fit. I got the wrong fucking socket. It's getting cold. It is getting cold. It's weird. The bolt has like a little bit of oil on it. I don't know how that happened. All right. But the plan is we're gonna get this bolt, and where that where that little spot right there, frame. Oh, dang, you don't even right there. Yeah. Oh, yep. There it is. Right there. I'm gonna weld it like that. I'm weld it on like that. So the the whole electrical system is grounded from the block to the frame to the actual body, so that there's a consistent grounding point mostly for everything, and that the frame is the biggest grounding point in the whole thing. I just didn't want to do this because I'm lazy, but it's the right way to do it, so we're gonna do it anyway. Hello guys, I'm back. I just ate some food. I put on the ski because it is getting a little cold out here. I think it's starting to rain. No, we gotta get this shit done now. Oh, fuck. Alrighty guys, I'm back. I think everything on the welder is now set up correctly. So we're gonna try welding everything up now. I welded it up. So I'm gonna get a little grinder, see if I can just clean it up a little bit. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna double insulate the thing, just because it's going, when we do put in carpet in this thing, and insulation, God forbid it comes out, we want to make sure it doesn't. What's up guys, I'm back, and thankfully I was honestly starting to give up on finding the ground blast, but I did. So now we have a super elaborate grounding system where I'm probably going to repeat myself again. We went from the battery to the frame. No, we went from the battery to the block to the frame to the body to the power to the grounding bus. I just forgot something. I was supposed to knock off all the paint off the ground, off the body, and then I did not do that. Clean up this. There's I knocked off all the paint right there, so it's just pretty much all bare metal, ready for grounding. So we're gonna ground this real quick. Make sure that it's all ready. That looks way cleaner than having a whole bunch of extra wire. Then we'll just put the cover on. This is a very tight fucking squeeze. Holy shit. Ah! Even with a smaller stature like me, this is a struggle. Okay. Wait a second. How about this? Okay. Okay. Ow, ow. That really ain't going nowhere now. Just... Alrighty, guys, I'm back. So, we got pretty much a lot of the wiring done so far. We just need to hook up a couple more relays. Alright, so what we got here are some fused relays We are so probably gonna put them through the fuse box anyway. Right there, look just fine. I think it just goes with where everything is supposed to be, so we know where everything is. I'm probably just gonna have to make a bracket for the fuse box, to be honest. Because, so this is the fuse box, right? The wires are just, there's too much wires where I can't just put it flush against anything. And it's just, I don't have a lot of room to put it. So what I'm going to do, this is a fuse box, and I'm just going to make two L brackets, right? So, well, how am I going to do the L brackets? I'm probably going to make like a bracket that goes like this, down, and out. Make two of them that go on the side so it holds up the fuse box. That's the plan. That's a lot to do though. Hello guys, I am back, and it is the next day, and it is raining very much. Good thing I did all the grounding stuff done, did all the welding, when everything that needed to be done under the truck is done, cause it's pretty wet. It is very very wet outside right now. So this is probably gonna be the end of the video right here, because I mean I don't really feel like getting wet on Christmas Eve. But you guys don't even know this is Christmas Eve right now, because I'm a couple, probably like 2 weeks out schedule for the uploads. But I got a lot of stuff done for the wiring, so it doesn't look like it, but like right here, it's cleaning up just a little bit. The rat's nest has gone a little bit, thinned down now. So yeah, those two relays both work. I think that one on the left is going to be for fuel pump. That one on the right is going to be for the fans. The ground bus is now there, nice, and looks pretty cleaner. Then I got the power bus. Oh, focus, focus. Power bus is up there. The 4 gauge going to it. So yeah, guys. I mean, once all this rain clears up, I'm in no real rush right now to start getting stuff done, because it also costs money to like buy stuff. So, like I said, we're probably gonna wait out the rain right now, because there's really nothing else much I could do right now without me getting absolutely soaked outside. So yeah, that's just really the whole situation right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.